Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by protecting yourself and the workspace. That's critical. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator if dust forms. Once done, remove loose scale with a wire brush to expose solid metal. This reveals what you must remove. Then use 80-120 grit sandpaper to knock back flaky rust. Sand along the grain to avoid gouging. Make sure to wipe debris with a rag dampened in vinegar. The acid helps loosen remaining rust, so the next steps work much faster. Once the surface shows bare metal in spots, apply a rust-dissolving gel or soak stubborn areas with white vinegar. That targets oxides chemically. After 10-30 minutes, agitate with a wire wheel or hand brush. Use a drill-mounted brush for large areas, but control speed to prevent overheating. Then neutralize acidic residue with a baking soda and water rinse. This stops continued corrosion. Make sure to dry completely, because moisture trapped in pits will revive rust. Sands, you finish by applying a corrosion-inhibiting primer. That bonds to metal and prevents flash rust. Once the primer cures, brush or spray 2 thin top coats of rust-resistant paint or clear sealer for durable protection. Thin coats dry evenly. After final cure, inspect edges and seams. Touch up as needed. If rust reappears, the key troubleshooting tip: strip back to bare metal in affected areas and repeat the cleaning and priming sequence, because trapped corrosion requires full exposure to stop the cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.